就嚟考試啦，你有冇溫英文？一講到英文，好多同學就諗住食老本，因為都唔知溫乜。Hello，大家好，歡迎嚟到英文學渣 and English Underachiever 嘅 channel， 我係 Matthew， 今日就等我幫你溫下今年校內考試 reading 嘅大熱題材 poems 同 novel excerpts。咁講 poems 先啦，首先要同大家講，如果你打開份卷見到有 poems， 千祈唔好怯。第一，你唔係讀英語文學；第二，英文亦唔係你嘅母語，所以老師唔會出到份卷咁深。相反，你應該要開心，因為老師好驚你哋完全攞唔到分，出題嗰陣反而會出一啲簡單啲嘅題目，攞分仲容易咗。咁所以大家真係唔使驚 poems。雖然詩通常出得都唔難啦，但有啲基本嘅 terms 大家都係要知嘅，例如 stanza 詩節，即係詩入面嘅段落 speaker。詩入面講嘢嘅嗰個人，即係敘事者，大家要小心。Speaker 唔一定等於作者本人嘅。再下一個 term 係 rhyme 押韻，例如 sky 同 fly。Simile 名喻 metaphor 暗喻 alliteration 押頭韻，例如 boy 同 bike。Onomatopoeia 擬聲詞 personification 擬人法同埋 irony， 呢一啲都係你哋要知道嘅一啲關於詩嘅基本嘅 terms。喺呢度 Matthew 想分享幾個睇 poems 嘅 tips。第一個係要以句子做單位，好多同學會一行一行咁睇，亦都會有同學係一個一個 stanza 咁睇，但其實你係要一句一句咁睇。咁我會用 Margaret Atwood 嘅 At the Curate Center in Boston 做例子。你睇第一行 There is my country under glass， 你知 country 係國家 ，glass 係玻璃，咁咩叫國家喺玻璃底下呢？唔知。下一行A white relief 又唔明 Map with red dots for the cities， 終於有行睇得明啦，有個地圖，然後啲城市呢就用咗紅點做標記。你咁樣一行一行睇呢，資訊其實係好零散嘅，而且會忽略咗一啲重要資訊。做 reading 嘅時候，你係要一口氣由 There is my country under glass, a white relief, map with red dots for the cities, and beside it, 10 blown-up snapshots.One for each province, in purple, bronze, and odd reds. The green of the trees starred, all blues, however, of an assertive purity. 當你咁樣睇嘅時候，你會發現首詩嘅 stanzas 1 and 2由頭到尾都係講緊一幅地圖同地圖旁邊10張唔同省份嘅照片。所以 speaker 話 My country under glass， 意思係我嘅國家變咗做一幅地圖同10張相喺玻璃底下。當我頭先一路示範點理解詩同解釋點解詩要一句一句睇嘅時候，同時間我亦都示範緊一個技巧，就係 generalization 概括化。呢個亦係我想分享嘅第二個 tip。好多時啲詩都會有好多 details， 例如 stanzas 1 and 2就不停講喺地圖同相片度見到嘅唔同顏色，而如果唔係題目問到，我哋理解到依家呢個程度就已經足夠㗎啦。好，咁又留意下 DSE 嘅同學仔都知道，今年2026 DSE Reading B2 出咗2篇詩，而除咗喺 sample paper以前從來都係冇出過嘅，而另一個學校大考甚至係2027 DSE 都好大機會出嘅就係 novel excerpts。自從2012年嘅 practice paper，DSE 都冇乜用過文學作品出卷，特別係小説，所以同學都應該準備定，咁考試嘅時候就唔會俾 novel excerpts 殺個措手不及。咁究竟考試遇到 novel excerpts嘅時候，要點先可以睇得明呢？又點樣先可以攞到高分呢？呢度 Matthew 有3個 tips 俾大家。第一，搞清楚人物角色；第二，搞清楚重複字眼；第三，有冇前後不一嘅矛盾位。我會用 Charles Dickens 狄更斯嘅 Oliver Twist 孤雛淚第2章第1段做例子。呢一段出現咗2個角色，第一個係 Oliver， 另一個係 The Elderly Female。我哋除咗要辨別角色之外，仲要了解呢個角色係點樣或者做咗啲乜。講咗 Oliver 先咯，文章講到 Oliver was the victim. He was brought up by hand. The hungry and destitute situation of the infant orphan. Oliver should be found, or in other words, that he should be dispatched to a branch workhouse some 3 miles off。 呢幾句都係對 Oliver 嘅主要描述。可能你睇呢幾句都會覺得好吃力， 但 hungry 你明啦啩 ？Oliver should be farmed。Oliver 係人，但 farm 係同農場有關，邏輯上呢一句係唔通嘅。但一個人被 farmed， 你覺得佢係俾人點對待呢？最後 he should be dispatched to a branch workhouse some 3 miles off。佢唔知點解要去一個好遠嘅地方。你又覺得 Oliver 嘅處境係點呢？我哋就算唔明，從呢啲資訊都可以知道 Oliver 生活嘅環境唔係咁好，仲有啲慘添。再嚟就係 the elderly female。The elderly female was a woman of wisdom and experience. She knew what was good for children, and she had a very accurate perception of what was good for herself. 個老女人好有經驗，佢知點先對小朋友好，佢知點對自己好。從呢幾句，你又覺得個老女人係點樣嘅人呢？其實呢幾句都講咗啲關於 Oliver 嘅資訊俾我哋聽。Oliver 應該係一個小朋友。搞掂角色就要諗重複字眼，例如 the workhouse authorities、the parish authorities、7 pence halfpenny。你就算唔知 workhouse 點解，你從 work 工作都知 workhouse 應該唔係啲咩好嘢。咁我哋又睇一睇文章啦。The parish authorities magnanimously and humanely resolved that Oliver should be farmed, or in other words that he should be dispatched to a branch workhouse some 3 miles off。你從呢句會知道係呢個叫做 parish authorities 搞到 Oliver 要走。7 pence halfpenny's worth per week is a good round diet for a child. 7 pence halfpenny, quite enough to overload its stomach and make it uncomfortable。呢度你哋應該睇得明 diet 同 stomach。diet 係膳食 ，stomach 係肚，兩樣嘢都係同食嘢有關。咁食嘢要咩啊？食嘢要俾錢啊嘛，所以 7 pence halfpenny 應該就係錢。最後就係前後不一嘅矛盾位，例如前文講到 no female， 後面又有個老女人，所以你可以大概知道 Oliver 由一個冇女人嘅地方去到一個有女人嘅地方。另一個矛盾位就係 the greater part 同 a shorter allowance 呢一個部分。the greater part 比較大嘅部分，而 a shorter allowance 係少啲嘅意思。for her own use 俾佢自己，咁少啲當然係俾人哋啦。咁呢度嘅人哋又係邊個呢？咪就係啲小朋友咯。只要你用呢3個 tips， 角色、重複字眼、矛盾位，你大概就可以拼湊到呢段係講 Oliver 應該係個冇人湊嘅孤兒，連飯都食唔飽，因為冇人湊。The parish authorities 就將佢帶到去一個有個老女人嘅地方，而呢個老女人亦都唔係啲咩好人，佢會將 7 pence halfpenny 即係多啲嘅錢俾自己，而剩翻好少俾啲小朋友，包括 Oliver。所以 Oliver 嘅情況係變得更慘嘅。其實一段落嚟，你明到呢個程度就已經可以答到大部分嘅問題。好多時你哋做 reading 嘅時候，特別係 B2， 見到咁大段文字，其實就已經好抗拒，因為好多字唔識。但其實要理解，有時同你識唔識晒啲字係冇關係嘅。更重要嘅係，你能唔能夠用你僅有可以理解嘅資料，拼湊翻一個合理嘅故事出嚟。而同樣嘅錯誤，好多同學仔喺2019年嘅 reading 卷都犯過。同學可以試下用我今日分享嘅3個 novel reading tips， 再去做2019 reading B2， 睇下會唔會比平時做 reading B2 分數提升咗。如果你中意我呢條片，記得 comment、like、subscribe 同 share。仲有 Threads 會有影片筆記，唔想錯過就要 follow 啦。另外想了解我嘅 online 1對1課程，都可以喺 IG 或者 Threads DM 我。我哋下條片見，拜拜。